warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama Rifat Agustian Seprando, student ID number 23,074,810. Program studi program D3 Automotive Engineering. Measurement 1. Selection 1. Presentation. Look at this table 1. Name aluminium. Chemical symbol IL. Density kilometer per meter cube. 2700. Melting point. Tugas Celsius 660. Farage. Translate strength Newton per meter square. 90. Name magnesium. Chemical symbol Mg. Density kilometer per meter cube 1700. Melting point Tugas Celsius 651. Farage translate strength Newton per meter square 248. Name copper. Chemical symbol Cu. Density kilometer per meter cube 8950. Melting point Tugas Celsius 1083. Farage translate strength Newton per meter square 340. Name cast iron. Chemical symbol Fe. Density kilometer per meter cube 7860. Melting point Tugas Celsius 1535. Farage translate strength Newton per meter square 110. Name lead. Chemical symbol Fb. Density kilometer per meter square 11,300. Melting point Tugas Celsius 327. Farage translate strength Newton per millimeter square 15. Name nickel. Chemical symbol Ne. Density kilometer per meter cube 8900. Melting point Tugas Celsius 1450. Farage translate strength Newton per millimeter square 172. Name titanium. Chemical symbol Ti. Density kilometer per meter cube 4500. Melting point Tugas Celsius 1775. Farage translate strength Newton per millimeter square 216. Name zinc. Chemical symbol Zn. Density kilometer per meter cube 7100. melting point degrees Celsius 420 110. At the sentence says statement about metal table 1. 1. Aluminium has a density of 2700 km per meter cube. 2. Lead has a tensile strength of 15 Newton per millimeter square. 3. Copper has a melting point of 1083 degrees Celsius. Task 1. Now make similar statement about other metals. Look at the sentences which show how the densities may be compared for the various metals. 1. Magnesium has a very low density. 2. Aluminium has a low density. 3. Aluminium has fairly low density. 4. Cast iron has a fairly high density. 5. Lead has a very high density. Task 2. Now make similar statement about other metals. Name TC metals. A metal with a fairly high density, a very high melting point, and a fairly low tensile strength. Answer. Tungsten, a metal with a fairly high density, a very high melting point, and a fairly low tensile strength. B. A metal with a fairly high density, high tensile strength, and a very high melting point. Answer. Nickel metal with fairly high density, high tensile strength, and very high melting point. A metal with a low density, a fairly low melting point, and low tensile strength. Answer. Aluminium, a metal with low density, relatively low melting point, tensile strength, a very low melting point, fairly low tensile strength, and a fairly low high density. Answer. Tin, a metal with a very low melting point, low tensile strength, and fairly high density. A metal with very low density, a fairly low melting point, and very high tensile strength. Answer. Magnesium, a metal with very low density, relative low melting point, and very high tensile strength. B. A metal with high density, a fairly high melting point, and very high tensile strength. Answer. Iron, a metal with high density, good high melting point, and high tensile strength. G. A metal with high tensile strength, a high melting point, and a high density. Answer. steel metal with high tensile strength, high melting point, and high density. A metal with a very low melting point, very high density, and very low strength. Answer: platinum. A metal with a very low melting point, very high density, and very low tensile strength. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Task 4. No complete the C sentence. A. The lowest melting point of silver solder is 620 Celsius. The highest melting point is 740 Celsius. The melting point of silver solder ranges from 620 Celsius to 740 Celsius. B. The lowest melting point of brasses is 850. The highest melting point of brasses is 1000. The melting point of brasses ranges from 850 Celsius to 1000. The lowest melting point of money metal is 1300 Celsius. It has a length of 150. Theory for the highest melting point is 1450 Celsius. See you next week.